Hi everybody, this is Kevin Lim from Kevin's Kitchen. Today I'm here at Mean Noodles here in Hong Kong. I'll be sharing with you a grilled portobello mushroom burger with satay sauce. I just wanted to have the traditional portobello mushroom burger but with an Asian twist to it. So let's get started, let's go. For the portobello mushroom here, I've actually just cleaned them. I took the stem off and then just wiped it with a paper towel. For the bun, please feel free to use your bun of choice. For the satay sauce here, I actually made it in-house, but you can actually use any store-bought satay sauce, that's fine. And for the vegetable component, you can actually just feel free to use what you like and omit what you do not like. I'm just using some cilantro just because it has that more Southeast Asian flavor to it. And as for the soy sauce, it's actually just 1 part dark soy, 1 part light soy, and 1 part of sesame oil. So here you can see I'm just scoring the portobello mushroom just so that more of that flavoring can be absorbed into the mushroom. And then once you have the marinade, you just want to massage it a little bit into the mushroom and just let it sit for about 10 minutes. So here I've actually just peeled the lettuce and then just slicing the onions and the tomatoes. You just want to get this ready so that when your portobello mushroom comes out, you're ready to compose the burger. So now I'm just heating up a grill pan. So I'm actually grilling these mushrooms gill side down so that when I flip it, it can catch all the juices that's coming out from the mushroom as it cooks. And you just want to keep all these juices in so that when you put it on the burger, it will actually have that kind of juiciness that you would normally get from meat. So you can see I've actually covered it with a dome. It's because I'm using an electric grill and it's actually not as hot as you would normally in an outdoor grill. You want to cook each side for about 4 to 5 minutes. You know, these are mushrooms, it's not meat, so the doneness is a little bit easier to gauge. After that, you just want to just butter up your buns and then just give it a light grill just so that you get the markings and also that slight char taste to it. I'm just adding the satay sauce on top of the vegetables. As it is a little bit lumpy, it's a little bit hard to spread, so I put it on the vegetables so that I could place the mushroom on top of it. Then finish it off with the pickled cabbage, cilantro, and then topping it off with some fried shallots to give it that crunchy texture. So that's how you make my grilled portobello mushroom burger with satay sauce. You can use any store-bought satay sauce just to make it a little bit more convenient for your cooking, or you can use any curry sauce. So any Southeast Asian sauces I think will go great with this burger, especially with the pickles and also the cilantro. With the added extra crunchy fried shallots, I think it kind of completes this burger. So if you like this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe. And please leave any comments or questions in the comment field below. And I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.